Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market update dated the 7th of September 2023. The market ended higher for the fifth straight session on September 7th, and with the Nifty reclaimed the 19,700 mark, helped by gains in capital goods, bank, power, and realty names. At close, the Sensex was up 385.04 points, or 0.58%, at 66,265.56, and the Nifty won 16 points, or 0.59%, at 19,727. Top gainers included Coal India, L&T, and IndusInd Bank, while losers were Tata Consumer Products, Britannia Industries, and Sun Pharma. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of ICICI Securities surged to their 52-week high of 651.80 rupees on September 7th. Norway's government pension fund manager and an Indian PMS are likely to vote against the proposal to delist ICICI Securities, as clamour over low valuation grows among investors. Norway's Norges Bank Investment Management's government pension fund Global holds 3.13% stake in ICICI Securities, a South India-based portfolio management service, which also holds 3% of the company, is also against the delisting, said sources aware of the matter. United Breweries was trading 5% higher on September 7th after the alcoholic beverages maker announced the appointment of Vivek Gupta as the new managing director and chief executive officer. Gupta, who was Chief Business Officer at B2B platform Udaan, will begin his 5-year tenure from September 25, 2023, the company told exchanges. Shares of HCL Technologies hit their 52-week high of 1,255.80 rupees on September 7th after the company said it has signed a multi-year managed public cloud services agreement with German technology and high-tech industry giant Siemens AG. hcltech will focus on automating the public cloud environment while adhering to Siemens' high security standards, it said in an exchange filing on September 7th. hcltech will migrate and operate Siemens infrastructure on AWS and Azure and ensure its cloud resources are optimized, secure and scalable, allowing the company to focus on its core business, it added. Responsive Industries shares touched an all-time high at 307.55 rupees in the morning trade on September 7th after the vinyl flooring maker announced having received an order from the Indian Railways for its Garib Rath trains. The company, however, is yet to disclose the order win amount as well as the product they are expected to supply along with other details. In a regulatory filing last month, the company in a similar manner had announced having bagged an order from the Indian Railways for its Vande Bharat trains. Shares are up by 16%. Forcemotors shares were locked at 5% upper circuit on September 7th after the company reported better sales and production in August than the previous month. There were pending buy orders of 19,402 shares, with no sellers available. In the month of August 2023, the company's total production increased to 3,032 units versus 2,987 units in July 2023. Total sales for August 2023 were up at 2,601 units against 2,564 units, and exports rose to 675 units from 227 units, MOM. The 64th annual general meeting of the members of the company will be held on September 28, 2023. The company posted a net profit of 68.56 rupees crore in the quarter that ended June 2023 against a loss of 16.61 rupees crore in June 2022. Shares of RHI Magnesita India Limited gained over 5% on September 7th after the Competition Commission of India cleared Roan Capital's proposed acquisition of a 29.9% stake in RHI Magnesita NV. Ignite Luxembourg Holdings, owned by US-based Roan Capital, has received approval from the CCI for acquiring up to 29.9% of RHI Magnesita NV. RHI Magnesita NV operates through its subsidiary RHI Magnesita India Limited, specializing in refractories and related products. The CCI oversees such deals to ensure fair competition and prevent unfair business practices. Shares of Larsen & Toubro were 4% higher on September 7 following a report that the Indian infrastructure player was likely to bag an order worth $2.9 billion, around 24,000 rupees crore, from Saudi Aramco's Jafurah unconventional onshore gas development project. Saudi Aramco has planned a $110 billion Jafurah gas project in the eastern province. The company classifies projects worth 1,000 rupees to 2,500 crore as significant orders, while those in the range of 2,500 rupees to 5,000 crore as classified as large. Cochin Shipyard Limited in daily time frame is trading around 1,146.15 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 15.93 per million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 950.10, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 88.77. Marel Overseas Limited in daily time frame is trading around 72.65 points with a change of 19.98% and is trading with a net volume of around 806.182 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 62.85, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 76.31. Usher Martin Education and Solutions Limited in daily time frame is trading around 6.65 points with a change of 19.82% and is trading with a net volume of around 2.01 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 5, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 88.49. For stocks to watch, we have Amomi looks good on current market price of 529. It can be bought at 530 rupees, keeping target of 543 rupees with stop loss of 518. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.